Legally Speaking with Crocker Law.
We're often told after an accident to call a lawyer, but Cindy, how immediate does that need to be?
Well, as soon as possible. I think you should call a lawyer as soon after your accident as you can for a lot of reasons. One is they may be able to help you right away with things. I've had people come to see me about personal injury cases weeks or months after, and they've been going without prescription medication, or they haven't seen a doctor when they needed to because they were afraid. They didn't know how they were going to pay for it. And sometimes, in fact, there are benefits that can cover that along the way. You don't need to suffer. So call a lawyer early and get the help that you need. Another reason I like people to call me early is so that I can gather the evidence I'm going to need. Ultimately, I'm going to present that case to either an adjuster or a jury, and I want to have the evidence that can get away from me if you don't call early. I want to get pictures of the car. I might want to get pictures of the scene if there are skid marks or debris. That will be lost over time.
Well, it sounds to me then like that there is a time limit on some of these things then. Is that correct?
Right. We're talking about practical time limits, in terms of gathering evidence and getting you help you need, but there are also very serious legal time limits. Every type of claim is subject to what's called a statute of limitation. That means you have only so long to file a lawsuit or to have it settled before you just lose the right to bring it. So I strongly recommend to anyone who thinks they have any type of legal claim, call and talk to a lawyer about it and at least be aware of the time limits involved.
And do you offer free consultation at Crocker Law?
We do. People are welcome to just call us and we'll discuss the matter with them and try to make sure that we're in the best possible position to help them by getting involved early.
All right. Well, Cindy, thank you so much for all of this good information you brought to us today. And join us next time for Legally Speaking.